Jai Srimanarayana. 26th sloka of 5th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Kama Krodha Viyuktanam Yatinam Yatachetasam Abhito Brahmanirvanam Vartate Vijitatmanam. Om. Get free from desire and anger. Keep your mind controlled. Attain self-mastery. Then the eternal bliss is at your hand. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall try to get free from desire and anger. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall keep my mind controlled and attain my self-mastery. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana." Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I realize that I shall always remember that Rajogunam is the source for all sensual enjoyments, and I shall definitely keep on trying to see that Sattvagunam is dominated and Rajogunam is suppressed in me. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam Sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam Pibata Bhagavatam rasamalayam Muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam Dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava Putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu Tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, "Ho Parikshin Narendra, when Rantideva offered water to that common man who was in thirst, tasya tribhuvanadhesaha phaladaha phalamichchatam atmanam darsayam chakruhu maya vishnu vinirmitaha." All the Brahma and other devatas appeared to Rantideva, and they had Rantideva realized about the supremacy of Sri Mahavishnu and Vishnu Maya. Rantideva did namaskaram to all of them. Rantideva did not have any kind of mundane desires. That is why Vasudeve Bhagavati Bhaktya Chakre Manah Param, he always engaged his mind on Devadeva Srimannarayana, and he always engaged his mind on the divine feet of Srimannarayana. He is such a great devotee, the one who is completely, totally surrendered to only Srimannarayana. And by following this Rantideva, there are so many people, Abhavan Yoginas Sarve Narayana Parayanaha. So many people followed Rantideva and became the devotees of Srimannarayana, surrendered to Srimannarayana. Like that Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 5th chapter, 26th sloka. Kamakrodha viyuktanam yatinam yatachetasam abhito brahma nirvanam vartate viditatmanam. Kamakrodha viyuktanam yatinam yatachetasam abhito brahma nirvanam vartate viditatmanam. Srimannarayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.